Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have a 2007 Toyota Corolla. The customers say they brought the car by tow truck and to the mechanic shop, and they say the car crank no start, and true, and as the car crank no start, you see, nothing. I asked him what happened. They say, sorry, they have a background noise before, but they say the customer, when I look at those keys here, it look like brand new keys. And this one here, it look like brand new keys, never touch. And the customer say he parked the car, she come back, the car doesn't want to start, which is very, very weird. What year is the car is?
2010.
2010, Toyota Corolla. So we know that it's a that cheap and those keys are brand new. So what we need to do, we are going to put the key in the ignition. You have to do a visual inspection. Crank, nothing. Is the check engine light there? Yeah, service engine there. What, look here, what I notice, look here. When I put the key in the ignition, I see that this never go away. Do you believe that something happened under the hood or something wrong, or those keys are brand new? I don't know. So let us check do a quick diagnosis and see what is there. First, I need to be sure I am able to communicate with the car. By the way, thank you for following my channel. Thank you for visiting my channel. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. And I will say hello to the world. I can't believe that where I am here, and I'm reaching a lot of people around the world. You see, VIN number is good. So what do you think if the VIN number is good? With the smart key, without the smart key? That means smart key is the push button. So I am able to read everything here. I will say yes. Maybe a fuse blown, maybe something. I have the charging system is too high. Can you go down with it a little bit? Hello?
Hello?
The charging system is very high. Can you put it down?
Put it low. I can put it low.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see you.
Diagnose. Control unit. Engine control. I want to see what I have. Okay. Trouble code. You see, engine immobilizer, engine immobilizer. Do you believe that? Karanan, it says V2799. Maybe it's not programmed, or maybe the antenna is not good. Sometimes things happen. So let's go back. Skip this. I gotta go. There will be nothing here. I can't do nothing here. So I go back, take this one away, come back with this, come here again. This time I'm gonna go to the car through the immobilizer to see if I will be able to reset it. If it doesn't reset, that means either the computer or wire broke. Immobilizer, accept it. You're gonna wait till you have two green here. Now I have only one green. Go by VIN, auto detect. Toyota Asian. Now I will get the green, communication to the car. Say okay. Toyota Corolla, one of the best car, believe me. Corolla, Corona, Cressida, Camry. I remember I have 1986 Camry. It was so beautiful, 4-cylinder. Okay, immo scan. Even the immobilizer, I have one code in the immobilizer. I'm gonna go and look at it in a few. 2 key, number of the key slave 0, number of master key 2. Let me see what I have in the immobilizer codes. Unmatched key code. Wow. B2795. Okay. I don't know what happened. This is very strange happening all the time. Okay. Immobilizer learning. Go to immobilizer. Quick reset immobilizer. Yes. This function will clear all the key. We'll need at least 2 key. There are at least 1 working key. Say okay. I want to see stay on. Yes. Stay on, that means good. If you say please wait 10 seconds. System is good now. You think something okay. Insert the first master key into the ignition. Wait 10 seconds. Okay. Look at the key there. Good. Take it out. Put the other one. Open it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Beautiful. Take the key out. Put this one. Good. I'm positively sure things will be better now. Go. Beautiful. Let me give gas. Kwaku. You happy with it? Okay. You can see this video on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna upload it soon. Please subscribe, share, and like. Now you have to leave it running. I disconnect the charger. And that's it. So I'm gonna, this is a lot of things here to do, but close this one, say okay. I gotta go back to do one thing. I want to go back to the engine to see if I can clear the code that I see there. Okay, diagnose, VIN, auto detect, Asian car, okay, without this marquee, say yes. Please subscribe, share, and like. Diagnose, control unit, engine. It's gonna be history now if I have any code. Trouble code 2799, 2799, and 2795. So the old history, I'm gonna clear it. This is current, erase. Ignition is not on, but it's supposed to clear. If it's not, I will turn the ignition off. Escape. Look at the data again. Nothing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Let me show you how this car look like after. This Corolla?
Yeah, 2010.
20 what? 10.
10.
Yeah. So this ground, be sure that they are clean. After you disconnect the battery, be sure that they're all clean. All this ground, be sure. You see the battery terminal? Be sure that they're all clean, because sometimes it may create some trouble for you. Other than that, I don't have nothing to tell you. Please subscribe, share, and like. And and the car is running very fine. That's the engine computer there. We have nothing more to say. We are using Hotel 608. Thank you for watching.